Indaba ze-1KZNTV nifundele uphilano kaCebekhulu kamzimba umntwana uyakhuleka kunina besilo sanibonani. Nazo kwezona ndaba zethu esithi ngezihamba phambili. I-Cosatu ithi sazowalwelwa awabasebenzi. Wesule izinyembezi owase-Harding. Kanti yaqhubeka yokusiza abakhahlanyezwe izikhukhula. Umfelandawonye wenyunyana zabasebenzi I-Cosatu ithi nakuba yenza ngakho konke okusemandleni ukulela kuyimfuno zeyisebenzi kodwa kusekuningi okumele ikwenze ukuthuthukisa impilo zeyisebenzi nokulela amalungelo azo. Iziko lezindaba libe nengxoxo ekhethekele nonobhala walomfelandawonye wenyunyana KwaZulu-Natal u-Edwin Mkhize ngenhloso yokubhunga kabanzi ngezingqinamba zeyisebenzi njengoba inyanga kaNhlaba ithathwa njengenyanga yazo.
Inyanga uMeyi ithathwa njengenyanga yabasebenzi. Nala kusuke kuba khona nembungazo eyahlukene ikakhulukazi namhla lolunye kuMeyi la kusuke kudingidwa khona kabanzi ngezinkinga zabasebenzi. Abasebenzi abaningi abaneme ngezimo abasebenzela ngaphansi kwazo nabathi kubenza kube nzima nokuveza kanye nokulelwa amalungelo abo. Umbuzo ovelayo bese uthi ingabe kuba khona kwezinyunyana kusabasiza yini abasebenzi ukuxazulula izinkinga zabo. Ukubheka kabanzi lokhu sokwamukela unobhala we-I-Cosatu KwaZulu-Natal u-Edwin Mkhize njengoba simamukela ohlelweni lethu lwanamhlanje.
Impilo itough kubasebenzi abaningi base South Africa. Lento ifaka incindezi enkulu kuthina njengama trade union. Siyavumelana ukuthi kusukela ngesikhathi se-COVID kubuka izinga lokungasebenzi kwabantu eSouth Africa likhuphuke kakhulu because abasebenzi badiliziwe baphelelwa imisebenzi. Abanye abasebenzi ngesikhathi behlele emakhaya bebengenako ukudla ngoba ayikho imali kade beyihola. Mningi kakhulu umsebenzi sithe sawenza as i-trade union because khumbula ukuthi ithina kade sibuza uhulumeni ukuthi abasebenzi bazophila ngani. Noma size sazithola sesiphoqekileke ukuthi sivumele ukuthi kusetshenziswe imali yabasebenzi ye-UIF ngoba ngomthetho bengafanelanga ukuthi kuze kusetshenziswe imali yabasebenzi ye-UIF for izinto ze-COVID. Kufanele ngabe uhulumeni uthole kwenye indawo kodwa sigcine sesivumela ukuthi kusetshenziswe imali zabasebenzi. Inkinga eningi enkulu esithole sibhekene nayo ukuthi abasebenzi abaningi still bebengayithola imali yabo ye-UIF TERS. Le mali temporary unemployment ye-UIF. Ithina I-Cosatu la khona i-team yethu ibihleli sonke isikhathi ihleli Department of Labor where the dedicated team ebihleli ihlala ne-Department of Labor ukuresolve lama problems ukwenza sure ukuthi ayaresolve. Maningi kakhulu inkinga zabasebenzi akade bengayithola imali esigcine sikwazi ukuthi siresolve. Ilezo zinto ezi-Cosatu esiyithola ukuthi kufanele singenelele kusona. Sangagcina ke lapho Deboho uzakhumbula ukuthi ngo-October wawo u-2020 sibe no section 77 iMarch esasinayo inkulu kakhulu esasinayo khona la eThekwini eyayisuka laphana emagroundini aseCarrisfontein kade iplanwe ukuthi ibe iMarch ekade iplanwe ukuthi izoba imotorcade but yagcina hybrid ngoba baningi kakhulu abasebenzi ababefikile ukuzoveza ungaphatheki kahle ngokucindezela kwabasebenzi.
Umkhize chaza uthi kuningi sebekwenzile bekwenzela abasebenzi kodwa okunye okubaphazamisayo nokubabambezelayo imithetho kahulumeni.
Kuningi ungenelela okudinga ukuthi kwenziwe from the side of the government ngoba ziningi imali zempesheni zabasebenzi ehleli kuma pension fund njengamanje. You are talking of trillion rands. But lezi imali lezi azisetshenziswa ukuthi zingenelele ekuncedeni abasebenzi ezinkingeni ababhekene nazo ngaleso sikhathi. Let me make an example. Akufanelanga ngabe umsebenzi udlelwa umuzi azadlele umuzi ngoba engakhoni ukuthi adlele umuzi ebe enemali ehleli hundreds of thousands ehleli kwi-pension funds, even millions mhlawumbe umsebenzi anawo ehleli kuma-pension funds. So inkinga esibheke nabe ukuthi umthetho ubungakuvumeli kwamanye ama-pension fund ukuthi abasenza bakwazi ukuthi basizwe kube khona ukuthi banikezwe from their pension fund. Njengamanje umthetho usuyaqeda ukwenziwa, abasebenzi sebezokwazi ukuthi laba abanezimali ama-pension fund akwazi ukubasiza ukungenelela, abanikeze ikhefu mhlawumbe ukuthi unenkinga yendlu, mhlawumbe unencindezi yokuthi kufanele wakhe umuzi njengoba nje kade bewelwe imizi bala I-KZN abaningi, unencindezi yokuthi ufuna ukwakha umuzi, lezo mali sebeyakwazi ukuyisebenzisa. Noma sicizelela kakhulu ukuthi siyafisa ukuthi abasebenzi lezi mali lezi abayisebenzise kakhulu ngezinto eziphathekayo njengezinto ezifana nemizi nezinto ezi-long term in nature, bangayisebenzisi nje entweni yokuthi iphele njengamanje. Kodwa that's what as COSATU, as a trade union, because that is our work as COSATU, umsebenzi wethu ukungenelela at a policy level, ukungenelela at a legislation level, ukuthi imithetho eshawayo ama-labor laws akube imithetho evuna abasebenzi. So we always done that. Khumbula ukuthi enye yezinto esayipick up is 2018 ukuthi sifuna ukuyilwa serious, saba nenkulu imarch esabanayo eyayisuka laphayana eKing Dinizulu iza City Hall, which was hugely attended by members. Silwela indaba ye-corruption. I-corruption ithatha inqwaba yemali from the state coffers. Imali kufanele ngabe iyokwenza the service delivery. Into esiphatha kabuhlungu kakhulu njengamanje ekuyona futhi esiyilwayo as COSATU ukuthi siyabona ukuthi infrastructure iya collapse. Uma uhamba kwi-province imigwaqo igcwele ama-pothole, abantu abakwazi ukuthola amanzi kuney'nkinga zamaphayiphi even before kwenzeke into zama-floods. So we were saying ukuthi imali ayisetshenziswe ekuthini abantu bakwazi ukuthi ayisetshenziswe ekuthini inikeze i-service delivery, silwa ne-corruption.
Amathuba emisebenzi, ukukhula komnotho kungezinye zezinto eyisabonakala idonsa kanzima kuleli. Echazwe nobhala uthi abantu kuzomele bazi ukuthi mangakhulunywa mayelana nokuthuthukiswa komnotho awekho amathuba emisebenzi azodaleka.
Sifisa ukubatshela ke laba ke abakhuluma nge-economic growth ukuthi if you understand into ekuthiwa economic fundamentals, i-economy ye-South Africa ayisoze yakhula uma ingakwazi ukucreate imisebenzi ukuthi abantu e-South Africa baqashwe. Ngeke kube ne-economy ezokhula because ukuze economy ikhule kufanele njengoba sithi akuze i-investment even noma ngathi ukhuluma ngama-foreign direct investment, uma kuba khona investment ifanele ifike ngoba izokhiqiza izinto ezizodingo zabantu. Lezo zinto ezizidingo zabantu mayikhiqizwa fanele ikhiqizwe and abantu fanele ziphinde zithengwe futhi. So uma unganikezi abasebenzi imali ukuthi abasebenzi babe nemali, babe financially fluid, babe ne-buying power, it means ukuthi that economy, you are killing that economy is going to die. So that's what we are trying to bring to government, even to business. Ayisizi lento yokuthi kuthiwa iSouth Africa is the most unequal is one of the most unequal countries in the world. When abantu base South Africa ebehluphe nje abantu, it means ukuthi ikhona i-wealth eSouth Africa kodwa isezandleni zabantu abayifew.
Lo mfelandawonye kulonyaka wenza usuku i-Workers' Day kwaba usuku la ungenelela khona ekusizeni abantu njengoba bekhahlanyezwe isimo sezikhukhula basala Dengwane KwaZulu-Natal.
In KZN ngoMay 1 bekufanele sibe nerally laphana endaweni eTibet College yaseSikhawini. As we're mobilizing, we're going to have a very big rally ye-May Day celebration eTibet eSikhawini. Kwase kwenzeka ama-floods ngesonto leli eliqale ngoMonday kamhla ka11. Then there were floods. After my floods, i-leadership ye-I-Cosatu yase-national level yase-provincini were to take to play a leadership role and take a decision. We ask ourselves a question yokuthi kungabe abasebenzi siyakwazi ukuthi let's go and celebrate uma kunabantu abahlele emahholo nezingane zabo bengadlile, uma kunabantu abanemizi yabo ehanjiswe imvula ama-floods, uma kunabasebenzi abashone besemsebenzi abaye bengakutholakala. Let me tell you, we visited during the May Day mobilization, we visited one family of a bus driver ongakutholakala ngaleso sikhathi siyakhona last week bengakutholakala ibhasi selitholakele, but ibhasi nalo litholakala ngesinye isikhathi. Yabona ibhasi into enkulu kangakanani. So we visited that family. When abasebenzi behlukunyezwa besemsebenzini, nangumsebenzi kade ivideo yakhe yenza ama rounds kwi social media. It went spiral, that video clip, kuthiwa umsebenzi uyantshontsha wa community participation. So we said as I-Cosatu, no, asikwazi ukucelebrate as normal, let us do something else. Sasithi sithatha yonke imali esiyayisebenzisa ukucelebrate uMay Day.
Ephendula umbuzo Mkhize mayelana nokuthi ingabe kusabasebenzela yini ukuba kumbimbi nenhlangano ebusayo ku-ANC, uthi lokho kakubavimbi nakancane ekutheni bekwazi ukukhuluma ngezinkinga ezibhekene nabasebenzi.
I cannot say ukuthi all of us mhlambe sine commitment egcwele, kodwa i-I-Cosatu inayo i-commitment kubasebenzi. I-I-Cosatu at no stage ukuthi abantu abaningi abazi sixabana kangakanani, sixabana kangakanani kuma boardrooms, sibanga indaba yokuthi abasebenzi kumele bakwazi ukuthi babhekelele. Uma ukhumbula kahle, even there was a time, I think 2011, where the municipal workers said, because leadership had to go and tell the African National Congress, no, you must correct this. A number of times, abantu abazi ukuthi how much were in loggerhead at the political level with the African National Congress for failing to pay abasebenzi increase yabo bama public servants. Abazi abantu ukuthi siqabana kangakanani no African National Congress ngokuxoshwa kwabantu eNewcastle nokuxoshwa kwabasebenzi abaningi oku la kwesinye isikhathi thina is this province of KZN saze sathatha stance kwi-PEC ukuthi we are no longer going to participate kuma engagement e-African National Congress. Asincengani when it comes to issues of workers because we represent a constituency. We are here because of that constituency. We cannot sell out that constituency as I-Cosatu. Umbimbi all strategic because at the end of the day, the reason why even during liberation struggle, we decided to be part of the political struggle. Ukukhulula abasebenzi, there must be a political will. Ngoba sikhathi kuphethe government ontamo olukhulu ngaleso sikhathi. Kwaku government okhuluma indaba yokuthi fanele kucindezelwe ibala elithize abasebenzi abayi-majority yalelo bala. Then it means there was no political will yokukhulula abasebenzi. Asenze babexhashazwa emsebenzini, ama-labor laws ayengekho. Abaqashi babebanikeza noma yini abasebenzi. Even kwalo May 1 esasikhuluma ngawo iholiday namhlanje wawungekho because abasebenzi babengahlonishwa. And therefore even today you still have political parties that always go and defend a business, the employers, the companies, lawa ekuyiwona asicindezelayo. And if we don't understand ukuthi there must be a political will and how that political will we must drive it, sizothi mhlambe akubalekile ukuthi mhlambe as I-Cosatu sikwazi uku-influence i-political direction. But tomorrow you will wake up usune organization.
Izinhlelo zalomfelandawonye zokusiza umphakathi ziyaqhubeka kuze kuba kuphela lenyanga. Ngotebogo Sibisi, eThekwini.
Ake sithi ishelele ezitolo siyabuya nezinye zeindaba zethu. Asibonge siphinde sinamukele nisabukele zona indaba ze-1KZNTV. Nazo kuzona indaba zethu esithi ngezihamba phambili. I-Cosatu ithi sazowalwelwa awabasebenzi. Wesula izinyembezi owase-Harding. Kanti yaqhubeka yokusiza abakhahlanyezwe izikhukhula. Zesuliwe inyembezi emndenini kaCivana kwamazakhele eHarding ogwini oseningizimu nelikaMthaniya. Ngenkathi ke kuvulwa ngokusemthethweni indlaba yakhe ngokubambisana nenhlaka ezahlakahlukene. Unombulelo oCivana uthi ukuthola kwakhe lompheme buyisa ithemba kuyena njengoba esezohlala endlini enesithunzi.
Muva kwezinyanga eziyisithupha, umndeni wakwaCivana ukhosele komakhelwane ngenxa yokusha komuzi wabo okudalwe ukusha kwesigubhu sikagesi. Namhlanje kuvulwe ngokusemthethweni indlu abakhelwe yona inyunyana yabasebenzi basemaphoyiseni ibambisene nomnyango wokuhlonyeliswa kwezimilo. Unombulelo Civane uthi kwasha konke okwakungaphakathi kodwa bakwazi ukuphuma bengenamyucu.
It was 11:30 ebusuku. Ndathi nile nabantwana bami apha ndeva into enukayo. Ndaxa ndiphapha mamaye kuyasha. Xa ndibheka esigubhini kuyavutha. Xa ndibheka la ndibheka khonto zeplastic obhafu nevascom nayo yonke into kuyasha, kuyaqhubekeka kuyasha. Akho ndlela ke ngoyokuphuma cause abantwana balele, ndivusa abantwana njena ndindedwa endimdala ndiyabavusa ndifuna ukukhiya nayo yonke lonto kuyaqhubeka kuyasha kodwa ke ngecebo likaThixo sagcina siphumile lapho.
Injabulo iphezulu emndenini njengoba sebezolala ubuthongo ngaphansi kwesakhiwo esiphephile.
Mhle uye wawanenceba ngakum ndiye ndathi mhlambi ifine nizama ukumkhonza nangaphezulu kuba ndimkhonza cause ndiyacinga uba akumuntu umnye babini abenze lento yaba impumelelo namhlanje. Si-structures nge-structures ezezangenelela zafaka izandla emaphaketheni wazo nazo ndithi kuzo engathi uThixo uxolo angazilondoloza njalo ezindleleni abaphephise njalo ngoba bakwazile ukuthi bengandazi mina kodwa bathi basova kukhalo okanye isikhalo esikhona kule ndawo bacinga ukuthi kumelezekile ukuthi banenzele. Ndiyambulela kuThixo ngabo bonke.
Kanti isikhulu esiphezulu esifundazweni uMthombeni uthi ukushayela ihlombe ukuzwa uhulumeni ethembisa ukubambisana ekuhlinzekeni ngamathuba kulabo abaqeqeshiwe ngokwamakhono ukuba sebekulungele ukubuyela emphakathini.
Kungijabulisile kakhulu ukuzwa kakhulukazi i-deputy mayor ne-sponsor basho ukuthi bayavuma ukuthi i-opportunity uma ikhona bangakwazi ukuthi bathathe ukuqasha lama parolisi ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi basebenze ngoba siyakwazi ukurehabilitate ama-offenders in our facilities. Sibanike various skills like you can see this house from foundation, tiling, electricity, plumbing, roofing, everything we have done because of the labor that we have.
Usomabhizinisi uHeda uthi kuhlezi kumgomo wabo ukulekelela umphakathi futhi banethemba ukuthi abantu uma bebuyelwa onembeza babo konke kuzohamba kahle.
Earlier, what we're looking at now is just basically sand and bricks. However, there's lots of effort that goes behind it, and I think the core aspect for projects like this to come together is love, generosity, humanity, just to be those qualities that bring out those human qualities within us. And my teacher had mentioned that with regards to the Creator, we find that the Creator makes qualities great. But with regards to humans, it's our qualities that make us great. So these qualities that come out, it brings about ease and comfort to those that need it the most. So to bring out those qualities of love, generosity, and all these qualities, I would say that if we can go deep into our hearts and bring these qualities out, you'll find that it'll make lots of difference to those that are suffering around us.
Usihlalo wenyunyane unyawo uthi ukuhlinzekwa kwendawo yokukhosela kwezingane kunciphisa izigilamkhuba okwenza kube lula ukusebenza kwamaphoyisa. Ingakho bayisukumele phezulu ukuba balekelele umphakathi ngale kokubheka inkinga eziqondene nomqashi nabasebenzi babo.
Uma umphakathi esiphila kuwo ipoverty, unemployment ne-inequality inga-addresswa, then siyohlala njalo sithwala kanzima kuba ne-crime ekhona. Njengamanje kune-crime esihlupha kakhulu thina njengamaphoyisa okuyi-police killing. Amaphoyisa ayafa abulawa umphakathi. So sinenkolelo yokuthi ama-challenges, lawa ama-triple challenges engiwashoyo kuyi-poverty, unemployment and inequality, uma ayokwazi uku-addresseka by government, kusho ukuthi umsebenzi wethu uyobalula thina njengamaphoyisa ngoba siyobe sesingasadili kakhulu nama-social ills amaningi, siyobe sesibheka nje lawo ma-cases amancane. Kodwa ke uma abantu besahlupheka vele bogcina belingeka begcine sebeganga.
Ezindabeni ze-1KZNTV kubuya uNkosikhona Shezi ogwini eHarding.
Iyaqhubeka imizamo yokubuyisa ithemba kulabo abakhahlanyezwe izikhukhula kwisifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal. Njengoba isikhwama esingenzi inzuzo i-Children in Distress sinikeleke ngezidingo ezifana nokokulala, ukudla, okwezempilo nokunye ukwenza isiqinisekiso sokuthi nabo ke impilo iyaqhubeka. Lesi sikhwama sinikelela abantu abagcina kwehholo lomphakathi endaweni yaseMawoti eThekwini.
Njengoba ilokhu iqhubeke njalo imizamo yokukhuculula nokulekelela labo abakhahlanyezwa izikhukhula, isikhwama esingenzi inzuzo ngosizo lwenhlangano i-USAID yelule isandla emphakathini waseMawoti eThekwini ohlezike ehholo la kule ndawo kanye ke naleyo mndeni engekho ehholo kepha ke eyakhahlamezeka. Ustella Zulu we-Children in Distress uyachaza.
They set aside $100,000 and that translated to a little over 1.5 million, and so supporting them 1,500, but so reach abantu about 7,500. So we're trying to not create privilege. There's been help coming a whole. So khona abantu abasemphakathini ngaphandle who feel as if laba whole are getting everything. So we assessed both ngaphandle nangaphakathi. So we're trying to cover as long as buhlukumezwe ikhukhula, right? So we're trying to cover abasehol nabangaphandle. So we're working with leadership ekhona kuleyo area. Thina njengoba sinikezwe ama organizations amanye imali. Sifuneka si-account ekubona, so siya-audit every quarter. They receive reports and they come benze ama-site visit. Akhona in place ama-structures enza show ukuthi whatever esithe sokwenza siyakwenza bese beya-check-a njengayo nje le ngomhla ka-20 funeka sihambise i-report bebekhona nabo namhlanje. Those are the things in place ukwenza show ukuthi usizo lufikelela kubantu.
I-USAID uhlelo lwezokusebenzisana phakathi ke kuhulumeni wakuleli kanye ke nowasezweni lase-United States, kanti ke ixhasa lesi sikhwama ukuba sisabalalise usizo kulabo ke abakhahlamezeka njengendlela yokuzwelana nabo. Indawo yaseMawoti ingezinye zezashayeka kakhulu, kanti ke inomthamo wabantu abaningi abahlala lapha abahlomlile bazwakalise umuzwa wabo.
Shuthi babonile nasihlukumezeke kanjani. So lezi zinto abasinike zona njengoba niyibona ke nje nani zizosiza ekutheni ngoba nembheda ayikho ihambile imvula nengubo konke, so kuzosiza kakhulu ngoba nengubo ziyashoda ngithi zamuka basinika nengubo ke nembheda yashoda sesizakele ngeyipontshi.
Okunye futhi ebengathanda ukuthi besisize kukona ba contribute ngokudla, abantu abaningi abanakudla emakhaya, so nakho ukudla ngiyathemba ukuthi futhi belethe isibalo esanele because kunabantu futhi kugcine sekunengxabano since nabantu bebaningi vele siphila under asikho developed. So nje yabona nabanye bafuna ukudla nabo nabanye bafuna ukuthola, since sazi ukuthi kunabantu ngoba kade kunezikhukhula abalahlekelwa amapasi, mhlambe laba basema home affairs bengeza nabo bebe ingxenye ukuthi besize kuphinde futhi le process yezindlu because abantu abanamakhaya, so ukuhlala kanje ehholo yize kona kusizile but abanye abantu abakwazi ukuhlala nabantu ongabazi, so ngathi ngasheshiswa iprocess le ukuthi bakhelwe abantu izindlu.
Ngesikhathi ithimba lezindaba lihambele le ndawo lificeke kukhona amalungu omphakathi abengeneme kwazise agoduke elambatha yizeke ebebhalisile ukuhlomula.
Besikhathi silala la ehholo kwathiwa masihambe sibuyele ezindlini zethu ngoba vele sesibhalisile kuma social worker bekade khona lana siyolinda amavawusha ethu. sahamba ke sabuyela ezindlini sithe sezwa sekuthiwani sekuthiwa kunezinto ezitholakalayo namhlanje bengekho ngihambisile ingane eklinikhi ingaphilanga mangizwa ngiyafonela kanti vele sengeduzana fike ngishiya ingane endlini ngize ehholo ngiyafika kuthiwa igama lami bizwe 3 times limemezo mase ngithi ngiyafika esangweni umnyango wokungena ngaphakathi endlini kukhona amantombazana awu2 avalileyo athi asisangeni sesibiziwe amagama ethu ayikho enye into esazophinde yenziwe masihambe soqala phansi sibhalisa asazi basobhalisa kubani ngoba sasibhalisile ehholo into esiyifunayo thina sifuna ukusizakala ngokudla ngoba izindlu zethu zangena amanzi thina ngabanye zangena amanzi kwagcwala amanzi ngaphakathi endlini ayidilikanga
Izindabeni ze-1KZNTV kubi kuntombi khona Mvubu ngiseThekwini.
Umndeni wakamiya weyiBhenki eduze naseClermont ngaphansi kwaWard 19 eThekwini usuyithole ukubhekana ke nokudideka mayelana nokwenza amalungiselelo okufihla umama wekhaya owamuka ngesikhathi seyikhukhula ogcine ke kutholakala imilenze yakhe kuphela. Kulesi sigameko kutholakala umzukulu lomndeni kuphela kanti lo mndeni ukholele kuthena uma wabugqitshwe imfucuza yezindle ezamuka nabasoluthu ukhona eduze nendawo utholakala ke imilenze yakhe khona ngoba kunephunga elixakile.
Sendaweni yase I-Bank ngaphansi kaWard 19 eClermont la khona sithole umbiko mayelana nomndeni wakwamiya oveza ukuthi kawazi sewuzokwenza njani mayelana nokuthi kutholakale umzimba kamama wakhona njengoba kuvela ukuthi bagcine bethole imilenze okuyinto esegcina bengazi ke noma bagcine befihle yona okanye bethole usizo lokuthi bebhekiswe wona uma wabo njengamanje sinaye la oyilungu lekomiti la kuyona le ward uzosichazela nje njengoba uma ubheka kuyavela la ukuthi la esikhona njengoba usibona mbukele ekhaya imizi le nakhona kamiya uma wakhona kukhona khona la emva kwethu kodwa ubhuti njengoba kuyena owakule ndawo yena uzobe sesichazela msizi siyakubingelela sikwamukela.
Yebo ngiyavuma kakhulu inkinga ekhona la njoba simla mina ngumsizi igama ngowathu sisibongo ngidabuka eSwayimani kodwa la ngilunga le ward 9 ngilunga le committee la eWard 19 into ekhona la savelelwa umshophi nje la sikhona kunomuzi wakamiya wawula umama nengane sigcine sikuthole emfuleni ezansi emhosheni sithola ingane nemlenze kamama kunzima kakhulu la simkhona njengamanje kade kukhona umuzi uphoyisa igama nickname abambiza ngayo wakamfeka isibongo ulapha ehall esub 5 le sahleli khona okwamanje waphunyuka naye wasinda ngokulambisa ngani ngoba wabhajwa lapha ezansi emfuleni ukubhaja kwakhe ukuthi qwebu nje amehlo akhe wasizakala futhi wazama ukuyisiza ngendlela ayisiza ngayo nokho bandla uyaphila kodwa ke sine challenge yalaba umama lo ongatholakali okwagcina kutholakala imilenze yakhe nengane yakhe sinenkinga kakhulu asazi ukuthi kumanje kuphe kumele sikwenze siphansi kwalo ncindezi
lona ke ilingi lokomiti la kuyona le ndawo okuWard 19 njengoba ke esechazile ukuthi indawo esikuyona kwakona la isimkhona bekunomuzi bese kuthi kuyona lapho njengoba ubona sekuyinhlabathi bekuyona indawo la kamama umiya ogcine kutholakala umzukulu yena kwatholakala imilenze ongakazeke ukuthi umzimba uwonke usuzokwenza njani njengoba umndeni nawo uthi ucela usizo mayelana nokufuniswa umzimba wakhe.
Umndeni wakwamiya siphatheke kabi kakhulu ngosisi kakhulu. Ebesingakufisa ukuthi sisizakale ngoba sesisithi isikhathi silindile ukusibheka sikaze sihlale from day 1 sihlasenyuka sembheka sizwa umphakathi sisemba sometimes sithatha abantu la hlala ngakhona bazokwemba la sihambe sibheka yonke indawo akukho la besicabanga ukuthi ukhona sangabheka khona kodwa still asenelisekile ngoba kwezinye indawo besithola ukuthi kuyindawo ezinamatshe amakhulu nezihlahla ezinkulu ebesingeke sizenzele ngezandla ezidinga i-equipment yakhona mhlambe engakwazi ukuqondana nako thina bekusihlula kuyasihlula futhi asikaxoli sisazitshela ukuthi njengoba kukhona isitho somzimba sakhe sitholakele laphana
kanti amalungu omphakathi agcine eswela izindawo kumanje agcine emahholo okuyila athola khona usizo kuze kubathole izindlu ezisesimeni esikahle. Ngutebogo Sibisi eWaybank eClermont.
Nina bakamkhumbi kudluka sibone amagumgedlela ziyaguqela bese iphaka namuhla kuze kube ngokuzayo.